Hello, Year 7. Welcome to Lesson 6 of the summer term. I hope you're enjoying the lessons as much as I am. Today you're going to be asking opinions from people and also developing your own opinions. So for today's lesson, you will need the exercise book the school gave you, a pen and a ruler, your knowledge organiser for Module 5, which is on class charts. You can open the link to Quizlet, which is on class charts as well in advance. Plus, you'll be doing a quizzes at the end of the lesson, so you can open this on a different window in advance too. And finally, you could open the wordreference.com online dictionary to look up any words that are not in your knowledge organiser. Pause to do this now. Please do remember to email me if you've got any questions about the activities in today's lesson, or if you want to receive an achievement point for your excellent work, then please send me photos. I look forward to hearing from you. Remember to write your date in the top right hand corner. So today's Mardi 5 mai, and underline the title. Pourquoi tu aimes l'histoire? Why do you like history? Also write down your objective, l'objectif, asking others' opinions on subjects and giving more varied reasons. So pause to do that now. Très bien. And now for your do now activity. I would like you to copy and match up the French and the English opinions. So for example, j'adore le français parce que c'est facile is I love French because it is easy. So one goes with B, and so I've crossed through B. All I want you to do is write down the French with the accurate English next to it. So pause to do that now. Okay, so here are your answers. The example, j'adore le français parce que c'est facile. I love French because it is easy. Numéro 2. J'aime la géographie parce que c'est amusant. I like geography because it is fun. 3. J'adore le dessin parce que c'est génial. I love art because it is great. 4. Je déteste le sport car c'est difficile. I hate PE as it is difficult. 5. Je n'aime pas les sciences parce que c'est ennuyeux. I do not like science because it is boring. So pause now to make sure you've corrected that properly. Make sure there's an accent on génial and there's the accent on français in number 1, géographie in number 2, déteste in number 4. Pause to do that now. And now I'd like to spend some time practicing pronunciation of the new vocabulary, which is the school subjects, and also the reasons, which are more varied than you had last lesson. So I'd like you to repeat after me when I say the French. Écoutez et répétez. Le dessin. Le dessin. Le théâtre. Le théâtre. Okay, so your voice goes up and makes an A sound on the E accent, and then the A with the accent on the top makes an R sound. So let's try one more time. Le théâtre. And again, le théâtre. Good. La géographie. La géographie. Good. Okay, so the G makes a J sound and the E accent makes an A sound. So let's try again. La géographie. La géographie. Très bien. Écoutez et répétez. La technologie. La technologie. Good. Écoutez et répétez. L'histoire. L'histoire. Good. Remember, you do not pronounce the H, it's a silent H. One more time. L'histoire. Très bien. Écoutez et répétez. La musique. La musique. So the U is an U sound, like an OO in English. Très bien. Here I've highlighted two words. EST is pronounced A, like AY, and sympa, SYMPA, sympa. So, écoutez, répétez, et sympa. And again, et sympa. Très bien. Écoutez et répétez, matière. And again, matière. Okay. Préféré. And again, préféré. And all together now, matière préférée. And again, matière préférée. And I know there are a few R's in there. I don't want you to worry too much if you can't do the R sound. The accents I want you to concentrate on are matière and your voice going down, and the accents, the acute accents on préféré, of which there are three, means your voice goes up and it's an A sound. So matière, you can hear my voice going down. Préféré, you can hear it rising with each of the accents. Okay? One more time. Matière préférée. Excellent. Écoutez et répétez. Trop sévère. Trop sévère. Good. So trop, you realize you don't say the P at all. And then sévère, your voice goes up on the first D and down on the second. Let's try one more time. Trop sévère. Très bien. And now for the final one. Écoutez et répétez. Beaucoup de. And again, beaucoup de. Good. And devoir. Devoir. Good. Now the whole thing together. Beaucoup de devoirs. Beaucoup de devoirs. Okay, so you're really opening up your mouth to do the beaucoup. Okay, it's a really wide-mouthed oo sound for that. Okay, and devoir sounds like it's got a W in there for the wa sound. Okay. Très bien, year 7. And now, as I read through the vocabulary from today, just the school subjects and the new reasons, I want you to pause if you need to write down any vocabulary you're finding more difficult to pronounce. So first of all, I'll read through the French. You pause at any moment you need to write down that French down, okay, that you're finding difficult to say. Okay. Le dessin. Le théâtre. La géographie. La technologie. L'histoire. La musique. So various school subjects. And now for the reasons. La prof est sympa. C'est ma matière préférée. And the negative ones. La prof est trop sévère. Nous avons beaucoup de devoirs. Okay, so I want you to pause and write down any of those words you find difficult to remember how to say. And I want you to repeat the recording as many times as you need to learn them by heart. So just rewind and repeat as often as you need to until you can say them all properly. Excellent. Pause now and then press play to continue. Now for activity 2, I want you to write down sentences using the sentence builder. So going from left to right, like you did last lesson. So you'll give an opinion verb, and then you'll go to the school subject column, and then you'll go to the because it is column, and then finally to the reason column. For the first 2 sentences, I'm going to give you the French, and I want you to copy the French. So you're just copying exactly what you hear. Okay. Numéro 1. J'adore l'histoire car c'est ma matière préférée. Okay, I'll repeat that. Numéro 1. J'adore l'histoire car c'est ma matière préférée. So pause to write down the French. Numéro 2. Je n'aime pas la géographie parce que nous avons beaucoup de devoirs. One more time. Je n'aime pas la géographie parce que nous avons beaucoup de devoirs. So pause to get that down in French. For the next 2, I'm going to give you the English, and I want you to find and write down the French in your book. Okay. Numéro 3. I like drama as the teacher is nice. I'll repeat that again. I like drama as the teacher is nice. Pause to write down the French. Numéro 4. I hate art because the teacher is too strict. And one more time. I hate art because the teacher is too strict. Pause to write down your answer. And when you're ready, let's quickly look at the answers. So press play to continue. And here are the answers now, so pause the recording to check you've got those correct in French. Well done, Year 7. And now I would like you to write 4 of your own sentences in French and in English using the sentence builder to help you. I would like you to use all 4 opinion verbs, as I did in the previous activity. And I want you to use all 4 of the new reasons as well. So press pause to do that now and play when you're ready to continue. For the next activity, I would like you to spend 10 minutes completing the following activities on Quizlet. Okay, I want you to follow the link on class charts to the Quizlet site. I want you to complete the activities, which are on the left-hand side of where the actual flashcards are, for Learn, which is just underneath flashcards, and Write, which is just under that, and Spell underneath that one. So those 3 activities. And then finally, I want you to test yourself and send me a screenshot of your score. So that should take about 10 minutes. Okay, press pause to do that now and play to continue once you've done your Quizlet activities. Okay, as you may remember, your objective for today is to ask questions and then give more detailed reasons when you give your opinions as well. So you need to know how to ask questions. And so I've got on the board for you here how to say, do you like? Because you need to ask if someone likes a subject. So for example, tu aimes is do you like? And if you were to say, tu aimes le dessin? It'd be like, do you like art? To which there are 2 possible first replies. Either oui, which is yes, or non, which is no. And then you might want to develop that further. So, oui, j'aime le dessin. I like art. Yes, I like art. Oui, j'adore le dessin. Yes, I love art. Or if you're going down the negative route and you don't like art, you'd say non, je n'aime pas le dessin. No, I don't like art. Non, je déteste le dessin. No, I hate art. So they're the two possible scenarios, positive and negative. Now, I'd like you to spend the next 5 minutes just copying the question and the 4 possible answers as well. So the example, tu aimes le dessin? Do you like art? Oui, yes. J'aime le dessin, j'adore le dessin, or non, plus je n'aime pas le dessin, or je déteste le dessin. So just write that out in full with the question at the top. Tu aimes le dessin? Do you like art? Okay, write that out now. Press pause to do that and play to continue. For question 5, I want you to write questions and answers about 4 school subjects. So the questions will be always tu aimes and then the school subject name. And then you'll give the answers for each subject using a different opinion verb and a different reason. So for example, the 4 subjects I'm going to choose are la technologie, I'm going to say I love it, la géographie, and say I like it, la musique, and say I don't like it, and then l'histoire, and say I hate it. So I've done the first example for you. So tu aimes la technologie is the question, and then the answer I've chosen is oui, j'adore la technologie, c'est ma matière préférée. Okay, the second one is going to be tu aimes la géographie, and I like geography, so I'm going to say oui, j'aime la géographie and give my reason. Okay, pause to complete those 4 questions and answers now for me. Press play when you're ready to go to the next activity. Now you're going to practice with speaking, and you're going to be asking the questions about the 4 different subjects and then reading out your answers to each one. So for example, this is what I wrote, tu aimes le dessin? And my answer was, oui, j'aime le dessin, car le prof est sympa. Okay, so pause the recording now and ask yourself the 4 questions and give the 4 replies that you've written down in your book, trying to really concentrate on good pronunciation of all the words we've had today. So press pause to do that now and play to continue to the final activity. Well done, Year 7, and now for the final activity. And now for your final activity of the day, I'd like you to follow the link on class charts to complete your quizzes. And the link's just there as well, copied on the slide. I'd just like to say well done, Year 7. Please send your teachers emails of your fantastic work for well-deserved achievement points for your home learning. Plus, you can also get achievement points for good quiz results. And even if you don't do really well the first time, you can always try again as much as you want and still get those achievement points for really good quizzes. Okay, until the next lesson, au revoir.